It's Lego Boy Toy 6 here. I'm going to show you this Lego safe that I have built. There is something inside it. It has a combination lock that was shown in a safe done by Lego Master 759. So go and check out his channel. It's actually pretty simple. If I type in both of my combinations, so clockwise to red, anti-clockwise to green, twiddle the knob, and if I can do it one-handed, no I can't, of course I can't, pull the drawer out, and just knocked out this key. It's for something else. Inside it's pretty basic. I take the top off. Basically have two wheels. So each with one blank in it. So I turn it clockwise to red, that blank is now in line. Turn it back to green. Now that blank's in line. Those two slot down, which then makes the two bars below this yellow piece, which lets the drawer, except I can't put this back together, puts the drawer back in. I just reset the combination lock and the door won't open. The only trouble is you can just rip the top off and hey presto. Please rate, comment, subscribe. This is my very first video, so please tell me what you think. Rate, comment, subscribe, whatever. Tell me what I can do to improve things and whatever. And keep watching for more. Bye.